ikoba methafani insimba ikobi inyembezi ndenza show abazibo.
What up? I'm a fit namhlanje. Angazi noma ngicala phi lo. Let's ngicala phi. This is FP Mankai from the Plug Podcast. Ngoku sisemazweni singene entweni siyangenelela sike kasi uyabona siyakukhuluma. But andivali lot of that. Hani nje ekhini. Khotmani ekudala shaya into yakhe. Khotmani yakhe. Shwele. Umnandi. Senjalo mantombazana. Njalo. Yeah. Khotmani ambona man. Let's introduce na Khotmani amuze ukuthi ubani and then ngishaya. Okay. Ubaba wathi nguSiyanda, uma wathi nguGetu, gogo wathi nguMkhanyisi. Ngizala insizwa yaKaNdwandwe, ngizala kwaNombela. Sithi insizwa emakhaya la ngisuka khona ngoba phela insizwa kumele ibe nebongelo. Sithi umuntu abhekile tobo tonton ngizongikuma noma kanjani. Sekethe kodwa into lebhulu lamashangana simo siyansiya somuntu esikhanda khanda ngene Steven. Hayi. Yeah. Hayi nje kuphi. Fatma Msiyanda. No manish. It's a pleasure ukuthi ndikhona uku-interview abantu abafana nani nathi chose ukuthi sifuna ukufikelela kulo mazinga wethu. Okay, but hotel alibungise kuphi ngobuphi ne? Ndifuna leli ke siyiqala. I want to ask you ukuthi yabona le journey yakho wakho kakuhle size to talk about your music. Abanye abantu they don't know ukuthi you've been in the game for a long time. Yeah. Before music, before the name Siyazwide, sure. Where ngale khona as you know, life ibinja. Before you become famous, before igama lithi Siyazwide, before they know you performing, how was life growing up? Ngiqale emakhaya endaweni yasoThweba la ngikhulela khona ngizalelwe endaweni yaseNgonyameni eKabani khona. Okay. Ngakhulela uThweba ngikhuliswa eSalukwazi uMakhanyezi Donga Jameson. Ube ngibeletha sambe naye sesontweni so with Sunday school. Thisha wami uZizile Mkhize wa Sunday school wabona ukuthi kukhona into ekhona la. Umaswaqala wangigqugquzela kakhulu ukuthi ngiqala amaculo esontweni ngaqala. From uqala amaculo esontweni ngaqala esikoleni. Hayi thame ngane. Isekara. From lapho ngithandela qala bonakala ngibe umfana nami njengabonke abafana ngaya empilweni abathwa ngangawinile kakhulu kodwa ngaqhatha kodwa angawini kakhulu yeah because I'm a soft nigga. Okay. Ngiyangena intervene ngiyangena wena amakuleyo no upholile sengiyamanje ngoba inhliziyo yaphela yagcina ishintshile manje ngishanga ukuthi uzokwazi. Yeah, so I grew up like that. Ngiyumfana nje ukhuliswe eSalukwazi. Baba mangizale baba sayingane baba. Mengabe ngithola so ngesikhathi ngikhula naye wesakhula enza into zakhe. My mother passed ngisasemncane. So nje ngibe ingane ekhuliswa umphakathi, ingane ekhuliswe umndeni wonke, osisi bami, obusi, ophini, ekufana ukuthi babo mama wakhulisile. Oh, yeah. So ngikhule kanti yeah, uyelusiyanda loyo before abantu bazi uSiyazwide before okay. Yeah. Ngifuna nje ukubuza nje before we jump to this music journey. Do you first remember your first struggle as in Ngwane? For me, I can normally say ngikhulele Eastern Cape. Yeah. And then ngafunda khona. It was a little tough for me. By the time ngize njengala like at home doing nothing, makhulu uyabona. Yeah. Used to go to esikoleni ngamanyala ngingenahlangu. So I want that moment ukuthi your first struggle, that painful as usengumntwana usengane. Isasikhumbulana la struggle esakwenza ukuthi no man ufuna i-change a little bit. Yeah, we never really struggled. Yes. Uthambo lwakho labenza ukuthi izinto zingabonakala struggle. Kodwa omunye umuntu angathi I had ubaba wesakhula. I don't want to say ukuthi he was not present. Ngithanda ukuthi wayesakhula naye ngaso sikhathi leso. ngokuthi uma she passed away wayekhona ugogo. So I really didn't struggle. Ngabe ngisemakhaya obviously sihambe endaweni so yeah uma esikoleni kuthanda ukuthi hiking. Ngakho ngayithanda hiking. Yeah, ngiyinto engayidamba ngoba kunasenze hiking. Yeah, ilokhu ibhizi nge-hiking ngayidamba. Hiking. Yeah. Because I used to hike to school. And ngibuye futhi mangipractice ingoma bangabe ngiyofethe ngicula nakhona futhi ngihambe endaweni. Really, it was really not a struggle. It was indlela nje ukuphileka nje. Yeah, indlela yokuphila. Also, I think uthando lwesakwa sami lalikwazi ukuvala zonke lezo zinto lezo as ama-struggles and been through struggles. Ushidula. So now ngifuna ungena kule zithi leyo ngayo uma senithetha music. Yeah, music journey. Sure. Where did it find you? When was the first time ubona ukuthi yazi yacula and ngithola impumelelo? Oh, okay. Ukuthi ngiyazi yes. Around. Ingoma yasifisa let's ukhuleko mandla. Okay. Sifisa umwane may soul rest in peace. Yeah, may soul rest in peace. Yeah. Nangisekhisini ngicula leyo ngoma le. Uma ufakwa. Okay. Why is umculo wathi uphila ngempela nje. La ngakho ngibona ukuthi ngiyazi ukucula. La ngabona khona ukuthi ngitshela was when I started performing. Phambi kwabantu that energy that ngaqala ngakhiqiza. So into nje sefaka. Yeah. And then other people they don't know ukuthi you've got that hidden talent thing. Yeah, and you've got abanye abantu they need someone oculayo. Yeah. Some physical talent yabona talent engiyaziyo but we're not gonna go there just that nje anything like ifike kanjani to you. Because you've been on shows that isn't cool. Yeah, I've always known ukuthi man got some keeping numbers man can escape. But yeah. Una kali esikoleni primary yazi what's senze icash. Yeah. Ngila ngibona khona ukuthi khona talent nokuthi ngiyithanda ngempela. Nayiqala ke bese ukuthi umculo uyawina. From what you okay. Yeah, it's so hectic. I realize like South Africa because so party nini jabulisa abantu mhlawumbe ngama-private parts. Yeah. Ngoma khumbula ngengwazi. I think zakho lezo. Yeah. Where up it is again. Yeah, kaloku bona ucula khona you've been going and then what push you here Jules? I'm having very like Goli ubaba omzalayo ukhona la eGoli. Ngifikele khona la basho ukuthi vele ubaba is married to someone who was working for Ambitious Entertainment. Wow, okay. I was doing PR. PR guru. Blind. Okay. Yeah, in that game. Yes. And if you are going ngithola ama-opportunities ngabona ukuthi ayahlale sinabakhona again. Yeah. And then there's this hate song. Yeah. Yeah. And the time the time you were writing that song, the time you were planning the song, you were in the studio and easily wondering that this song is gonna be big. I was a very big producer. Why in the beats and then I sang. Because he's so good to give emotional wapuma mshira masala na ikale lang ito mangkato ito isa nini going that's not getting up too fresh lanta mazani kisala wangu kuhle isa and she's doing well
yabona into ukuthi uma ngabe ukuthi umuntu okhethile ngicabangela eshayiswa imoto cabangela bambamba inkunzi noma ngicabangela izinto lezo I'm happy ukuthi she's doing empilweni ushadile manje what's my head akazi lo mshado kahle mshado la ushadile and she's doing well. I'm happy for her and mami jabulile lapho awu shane awusikarabule yeah
you see music it's art, it's poetic. You feel something, and then you go through a lot. The time you're writing that song, it gives you that inspiration, and then it neither you take something, you put it into a picture, and you may enter something which you call I've been through this thing. Imagine say things out. No, it's not a problem. It's not a problem.
Imagine keep us up, yeah.
No, so more Palangoma, and then you put it on the picture.
Yeah.
You didn't realize that you're not the only one who's facing that problem, because I'm seeing a lot of people they're relating to your song.
Yeah.
And then same applies to me. Let's say I'm not a talent man, and then I listen to your song. Yes, it's like and then so from that drive, how was live music? Like booking, going everywhere. How was the fame? How was everything? You didn't have that drive. No money. I'm booked 10 times. I'm tired. But that life didn't like it's thinking.
Okay, I'm calling because umculo ala before fame, before pictures, before everything. Ngiqala abantu bapolice balaphe. Lengoma le taxi yakho ikwenzile lokho kakhulu. I get messages every day ukuthi when we relationship are toxic and abusive relationship. Ngimsemshadweni weminyaka eminingi. I listen to your song and it can encourage me with I'm in a better space, I'm happy. Maybe nje kukodwa kumina kungijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngenza umculo ozokwazi ukushintsha impilo zabantu. The pictures, I like pictures. I like pictures. I love people. Oh yeah, I'm a people's person. And there'll never be a day then just get to take a picture. And then we ask
you continue with it now from the life layer music.
I don't even play with being famous because I'm going to abantu. Ngikhule futhi nangasemakhaya ngaziwa. Okay. Imthombe vele siqale ngasemakhaya. So leyo nto leyo ngithathe ngifake ekhanda. I respect everyone. I want to work with everyone. I don't care if abantu bakhulu noma bancane. I don't care if ukuthi artist lasemakhaya incane. If you want to work, we work. So I'm just like that.
Which is that's good because amanye abantu when like when you start to be famous, you start to have those limits. Awusafuna ukushita nabantu, awusafuna ukwenza ini, but and which is sometimes more music you should know ukuthi umuntu wabantu. Exactly, that's what I like. Exactly.
Yeah.
You're doing I've heard a lot of genres. I've heard you've been jumping after probably been doing this. Like you're versatile as artist and you chill as go to your cool. So there's no struggle from this one to this one. Or Shaz longa jama.
Sketch. Yeah, nabanye abaculi ukuthi uhlamba futhi uyafuna ifeature yabo bese beza bathi bafuna ukungikhipha ku-comfort zone. Hayi Abdullah which is really Abdullah brother my ngibulala ngomeli ngibulala in a good way. Ukuthi sizobenza izolo man. At the day siyasebenza ingoma kumele benani.
Yes.
Mawuthi ngiyenza nami ukuthi as long as phela ngakhulu
Ngokusiza nokubhalisela ukuthi nje
ukuthi
ubeka deep.
yeah. The most important thing ukuthi ngomesiyenzayo kumnandi.
Yeah. Okay. Generally, how's the music treating you right now? How's the industry?
In industry, kumele ube patient. I think i-patience yami insiyo ukuthi ngibe la ngikhona manje. I'm in a good space. I am under a very good record label in studios.
Okay.
I did sign ngamanye record labels before. It didn't go well because they were not good people.
Oh yeah.
I like working with good people. If you're not a good person, I wouldn't say, not a podcast, man, it's not gonna blow.
It's exactly like that. It's exactly like that.
Good sienza inclusive for a person. It's definitely gonna blow.
Yeah.
It's going to help you, it's going to help me. Kusebenza nabantu aba-greedy, kusebenza nabantu aba-selfish, kusebenza nabantu aba-self-centered.
And vele uma ungumuntu wabantu uma ungathandi into oyenzayo, you'll never survive in this game.
Exactly.
You'll never survive in this game. Manje ngifuna wanna give you space up, wanna give you an opportunity. Thethe nabantu bakho.
Yeah.
On that camera. Thethe nabantu bakho. Motivate them, tell them what to do. Into anakhona ezibhekileyo. Abantu abadala who are learning from you, and then just give them a weight of advice. Ukuthi nibambe njalo. Can check the camera down. Spaces are cool. Say whatever you want.
Yeah. All right. Ukuphuma kimi ukuthi ukuthi ngaphatha impilo enengimoto. Okubalulekile ukuthi usukumuzwe ulwe ngawo wonke amandla nawo bangabe phelile. Ungabe give up umthwalo wabanye abantu. Akukho mnandi ukuba umthwalo. It's very important ukuthi usukume ulwe, usukume uzame, usukume wenze konke kumele ukwenze ukuthi ufike la khona. But angazi amaphupho omuntu ngoba umqondo womuntu ucabanga emveni ehlakalweni kodwa engakusho ukuthi umuntu nomuntu uyalazi iphupho lakhe, umuntu nomuntu uyazazi ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani, and konke umuntu afuna ukwenza ngoba mina ngingakwazi ngeke ngikwazi ukumtshela ukuthi aqale kuphi aye kuphi. Engakusho nje kuphela ukuthi namhlanje ukwenza into esemqondweni wakho, work towards it. Pusha. Noma inokholela kuyona wazi ukuthi yakusebenzele uyenze sise futhi. Kuthiwa akwaziwe kwanonisa angisazi sesisona sinyalo kodwa kwenje akwaziswa kwanonisa uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu akaziyo ukuthi yini yayinonisa. So just do everything that you need to do. Pray. Uma ufuna ukuthandaza uphahla, uma ufuna ukuphahla hambele umuntu uma kumele ubone umuntu, hambe esontweni uma kumele esontweni, enze into ekusebenzelayo ngoba zonke izinto ezenzakala empilweni zidinga ukuthi ube very fit spiritual. Ibalulekile kakhulu-ke leyo.
Ngiyabonga. Those are the words that bawadingayo abantu, and if you are listening there, you know ukuthi you've been through a lot, you've been going through a lot. Jonga sinani nambuzela because part which le ukuthi whatever you wanna qala start and then if ball is phinde libuza ngoba phambili and siyayibuza that's why sibuzela. I'm just gonna ask you into few right now, two questions. I want to go back. Sure. When you look back now about the struggle what you were facing before the success that you have,
I'm a very positive person. I really don't like to use the word struggle.
Okay.
I like to use community lesson. I learn. I am a better man because of what I learned. And I'm going to continue and do music. Yeah, I learned from lessons that I got, not struggles. Yeah.
That's to try to say lesson, guys.
Yeah.
What you do, you learn from it.
Yeah.
And of course, alone. From even learning,
Yeah.
and then from now on,
Mm.
is there anything you from your younger age that you said, Isa, or there's anything that you are wishing I could change this thing in life from your younger self?
Yeah. Also, I'm a person who trying to come there. Ngingazama ukuzenza ngalesi sikhathi ngangeke ngize ngikwazi ukuzenza vele. So ngase ngafunda ekungazenzini ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphila kanjani manje. And ngendlela engiphila ngayo manje, I'm doing quite well.
Yes.
And I like to also encourage abantu ukuthi don't dwell on the past. Move on, learn from it, and make sure ukuthi ukuthi past yakulimaza. Isebenzisa ukuthi kusebenzele. Yenza ukuthi incane. Ube ngoma ethaxi yakho. Yeah, bangihetha. Ngenza ingoma. Ngithola amasenti.
You turn
Ngaba ngcono empilweni. Yabo? I turned pain into money. Yeah. Pain. Uma ukuthi into ikuhlukumezile, at least kwenza imali ngayo. Ayisebenzele. Yeah.
Yabonakala sini abantu emphudayo bonke straight type. Sizoyivala imfiyo this thing. Sizoyivala imfiyo and lento esithethe ngayo ngizithandile. And I know yaphusha right now uyacula. I don't know abantu bakubuza lapha nami ngiyabuza, is there any music that's coming? Is there any album that is coming to us?
I am definitely dropping an album this year. I've already started working on it. Is on another time. I think I made 3 songs. I want to probably album that has not less than 18 songs. It's going to have a lot of features. It's going to be a big album. It's going to be the biggest album in South Africa. In Africa. Yeah, this is number 1.
Hey, where is your son?
Please.
Please.
We'll be there. Good launch. The Blood Podcast is going to be there. I think on my birthday I'm going to drop an EP of just 3 songs. There's a song that I might drop with a very talented lady from KZN, Bizongo Tande Kamalake.
Okay.
It's a very nice song. I'm gonna keep it for the album. It's very nice. And she's united in a way about.
When I said if you know,
No.
said if you know,
No, yeah, she's.
no, this year we are expecting an EP, we're expecting an album.
Yes.
Song is very never fit. Plan release of this year, and it's gonna be number 1. And I see now, she.
I almost went and I think you know.
I'm a feature that's a bit top. From the closing, what is like that you wish to have, or what is that you want to do halul or is there any artist that you as a show want to feature in the few years to come?
No, I'm featuring everyone that I always wanted to work with. Amagama enzo ngabhala mhlawumbe abanye ngeke kwenzeke, but I'm featuring everyone that I've always wanted to work with kulo nyaka. And then betting yes. I'm very much I am content. I have isn't it that I've wished this even as well. So I'm cooler. I am working towards ezinye into 40, and I'm just happy kule spacing ikusona njengamanje, and I am enjoying the spacing kuso nezinto enginazo manje without putting pressure kumina ukuthi nakunye ngikufunayo ngoba konke engifuna kwenzeka ngenkathi
guys, this is the plug in podcast number 82. Namhlanje beningami lodwa bengifana sika sweet You live when you promise. Yeah. And then we do our job. We reach where we reach. Now when I'm saying it's one of there's a trap. At least yeah, come ukuthi yeah, ukuthi to be in this conversation, you one of the box, it's ticked. I'm happy, I'm happy, and I don't know if there's anything that you like to say or anything that you like to clear or anything. It can be anything. You can just say it in the here.
I want to give a shout out to you, the Blog Podcast.
Yes.
I've seen you on social media. You guys are doing well, and I want you to continue doing well. I wish you all the best. This is only a beginning for you.
Yes.
I really want you to be as big as Meg G.
Yes, definitely.
Even better than them. Nah, to the competition, which is the competition, eh?
Competition. Wait, tell me.
Yeah. You guys must really give him competition.
Yes.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for meeting me up. Thank you for being here. Thank you for talking to me. I think it is very important to get about the story behind Siazwite.
Thank you.
The story behind my music. Because I feel good to want to relate more when they know what's in the yeah. I feel good to these kind of things is because I go to because you know never on the car.
Yeah. They see amayazi ukuthi that person ukuthi lo muntu usuka kuphi.
Sure.
And I would just like to thank you for the opportunity. Ukuvumela swakala sector kwakho. The time music text, I will like okay, sharp is on text, and then so cause running, you know, text, it's always like we don't know you guys, whatever, but you've given us an opportunity to spoon to develop in do yeah. I'm really yeah, I'm crew right now,
so definitely. And I think it's important for everyone who's in the industry to us well, we don't know what the podcast is or when that for not for me. And if it does well for you, which I believe, if it does well for me, I'm also happy. Which I believe as well. Only in a sense like I should so that be song. So see
and my name
because you really you never know. You never know. See, it's very important to be humble. No matter
just be humble. Just be humble. Yeah. Thank you. Say Vala guys. This is the Plug Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. We everywhere. Sponsored Shire and the Born. Gas it gas. Location to location. Sabab to sabab. Thank you for now.